Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jason at Fireplace Blowers. Slightly unique project. We're kind of halfway into it, but we thought this would be a cool video to do. Jim is working on a, let's get a little close-up of this guy. It's an old BK92. So I haven't seen one of these guys in a long time, but we've got the housing apart here. We'll do another video with everything fully together, but we kind of wanted just to show you this. Here's the original blower that was taken out of this. It's originally an EBM PAPS motor. It's a German-made motor, 65 millimeter wheel. It's about 15 inches in total length. But to give you an idea here, it's got an auxiliary kind of like speed control box, 8-foot power cord. First thing we had to do was the sensor wasn't working on it, so we've got the sensor already replaced, and that was pretty easy to do. So we've got the sensor, the new sensor re-riveted, and I'll come back and do a second part to this when we've got the blower and the housing back together, but we'll show you everything kind of completed. These are the two loose wires, the blue or the red and blue, that were connected to the temperature sensor. So those will go back onto the temperature sensor. One of the wires, one of the connectors was corroded, so we've got that one replaced. And then let's do this here. The blue and the loose blue and the black wire here are connected to the motor. Okay, and depending if you've got one of these BK92s, the coloring of these wires may or may not match up. So just kind of make a mental note of which two wires were going to the thermostat sensor, and make a note of which two wires were connected to the motor. The motor wires can be connected in any order. The temperature sensor wires can get reconnected in any order. So that doesn't make a difference. You just need to remember which was which. But we'll do part 2 of this here when we've got this cleaned out. We'll clean this guy out and we'll get a new blower added in. So we'll be right back with you. Okay guys, we're back. New temperature sensor. The speed controller on this guy also needed to get replaced. Kind of tough to see. This has got an auto and manual switch. That was fine. Hard to see in there, but different speed controller. Show you the defective parts here. That was the old speed controller, old KB electronic speed controller. That was the condition of the temperature sensor, so that definitely saw better days. So that temperature sensor got replaced. Old blower. Definitely a tight fit on these guys, so form factor matters. So we've got the right replacement blower for this now, which we'll list on our site. So if you guys need one for the BK92s, let us know. But she's all polished up and ready to go back to the customer today. Got any questions, call us at 262-989-4882 or visit us at fireplaceblowersonline.com. Thanks again, guys. Bye-bye.